Welcome to the Solaris X, the ultimate fusion of innovation and comfort on wheels. At first glance, its sleek aerodynamic design stands out. Every curve and surface is shaped for beauty and performance. Solar panels line the roof, providing power for long off-grid journeys. Let's step outside first. Notice the advanced suspension system and storage compartments integrated into the body. Built with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, the Solaris X offers both strength and efficiency. Now step inside. The living area welcomes you with panoramic windows that flood the space with light. The handcrafted wooden surfaces and ambient LED lighting create a warm, relaxing environment. Every seat is adjustable and temperature controlled for maximum comfort. Moving into the kitchen, this space is designed for both practicality and luxury. It includes an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, built-in coffee maker, and voice-controlled lighting. Whether you're camping in the mountains or parked by the sea, you can cook just like at home. Down the hall is the master bedroom. A full-size bed, adaptive lighting, and soundproof walls make it a peaceful retreat. The built-in climate control ensures perfect temperature, no matter the weather outside. Next, the driving cockpit, a masterpiece of technology. Dual screens for navigation and AI-powered autopilot keep